Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope all of you are fit and fine at home. Yes, and doing your studies also. Yes. So now, are you ready for the class? Yes. So are you ready for social science class? Yes. So let's start. But today I will just like to tell you about some interesting facts about Earth. Yes. What is Earth? Earth is our home where we live. Yes. And Earth is also a planet. You know or not? Yes. So I will just share an interesting fact with you. Our home Earth is the only world known planet to support an atmosphere with free oxygen, oceans of liquid water on the surface, and the big one, life. So, our home where we live, Earth, is the only world's known planet. It is a planet and it is the only world's known planet to support an atmosphere. There is an atmosphere which support and oxygen is there. Oceans of liquid water is there on the surface of the Earth, and the most important thing, the life is on the Earth planet. Yes, because there is oxygen and water is available, so the life is also available here in on the Earth planet. Yes, was it interesting for to you to know about our Earth, our home? Yes. So now let's move to our studies. It's the time for studies, and you have to bring your social science book, notebook, and one rough notebook with you. So whatever doubts you are having, you can just write down, and in the online class you can ask with to me. Now in the earlier class we have started chapter number 4, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and in this we have already discussed about the location and the land of the Democratic Republic of Congo. We have discussed about the climate, that the climate in this country is hot and wet. Vegetation, we have talked that here we have the rainforest, the forests are evergreen. Yes, and we have the grasslands known as savannas. We have also discussed about the wildlife, that we have chimpanzees, hippopotamuses. Here we have lots of reptiles also present in this country, and this country, the Democratic Republic of Congo, is a natural zoo of the world. Yes, in the earlier class we have discussed about agriculture and the industries, so we will just do a quick recapitulation here. The main occupation of the people is farming and mining, and farmers practice shift agriculture. So here in Democratic Republic of Congo, the main occupation of the people is farming and mining. People do here farming. You can see here the people are doing here farming, and they are also doing the they are also doing the farming, and they are also doing the mining. Here mining, they are taking out minerals from the mines. Yes, so the main occupation of the people here in the Democratic Republic of Congo is farming and mining. Farmers practice shifting agriculture. So farmers here practice shifting agriculture. Now what is this shifting agriculture? Shifting agriculture is the system in which some forest land is cleared and crops are grown for 2 to 3 years. So what happens, these forest land are cleared, they are being burnt, and when they are burnt, this vacant land is being used to grow crops. This type of system is known as shifting agriculture, where some forest land is being cleared and the crops are grown for 2 to 3 years on the forest land. Crops grown here are cassavas, maize, and rice. So here the staple food is cassava. Cassava is a crop which is grown here in the Democratic Republic of Congo. This is cassava. Yes, this is cassava. Cassava is the staple food. So here in the Democratic Republic of Congo, cassava is the staple food. The cassava plant has long roots or fleshy roots or tubers under the ground. So you can see the cassava plant. This is a cassava plant having long and fleshy roots, or the tube we can say them are tubers. They are under the ground, and when these cassava plants grow, we take out the roots, and these roots are being used. These tubers are taken out from the ground and soaked into water for many days. Then the skin is peeled out like this. You can see the skin is peeled out, and then this cassava the cassava is being dried, and then it is being made from this cassava, dried cassava. The flour is made from them, and the people of the Democratic Republic of Congo make the bread from this flour. Cash crops such as palm oil, cocoa, coffee, and rubber are grown for export. So in the Democratic Republic of Congo, there are some cash crops also. What does cash crops mean, students? Cash crop means that the crops which are grown for earning money, for earning, money, for earning cash. So these types of crops are known as cash crops. So cash crops are in the Democratic Republic of Congo are such as palm oil, coca, coffee, and rubber. These are the crops which are grown for money purpose, for doing export to different countries, to sending them to different countries and earning money from selling these crops. Like you can see here, this is rubber taken out, this is palm oil, and these are coffee beans. Yes, so these all are the cash crops which are grown here in the Democratic Republic of Congo, and then these are exported to different countries. Now we will talk about the industries. So here in the Democratic Republic of Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo is rich in minerals like gold, diamond, manganese, copper, cobalt, uranium, and coal. So as we talked that here in the Democratic Republic of Congo, people do farming and mining. So they take out the minerals from there, from those mines. And which are the minerals which they have in the Democratic Republic of Congo? Minerals which are found in the country Democratic Republic of Congo are gold, diamond, manganese, copper, cobalt, uranium, and coal. So you can see this blue mineral is cobalt. Yes, this blue mineral is cobalt. This is gold, this is diamond, this is coal, and this is manganese. Sorry, copper. Yes, it is the largest producer of cobalt and industrial diamond in the world. So the Democratic Republic of Congo is the largest producer of cobalt, because cobalt mineral is found in abundance quantity in the Democratic Republic of Congo, and it is also a largest producer of industrial diamonds. So here you can see these are the industrial diamonds. So these are also being produced here in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Yes, industries are not very developed here in this country. So most of the minerals are exported because industries are not there in this country. So as it is, mineral rich country, and there are so many types of minerals found here in the Democratic Republic of Congo. So here the people export the minerals and earn the money. They don't have so many types of industries developed here. A number of dams have been built. So here a number of dams have been built. So you can see here dam, how the river water is going from the dam, and the dam water is used for different purposes. They produce hydroelectricity. So with the help of dam water, with the help of construction of dam, they are able to produce electricity from water. Hydroelectricity means electricity produced with the help of water. Yes. Now today's topic, students. So today we will discuss about the life of the people, that how the people are living here in the Democratic Republic of Congo, which type of people are there, which religion they are having, which tribe they are having. So we will discuss about that. Though a number of tribes live here, the Bantu tribe is the largest tribe here. So here the people who are living in the Democratic Republic of Congo, there are a number of tribes still here in the Democratic Republic of Congo. But Bantu tribe is a largest tribe. The name given to the tribe, the name given to the group of people is Bantu tribe, which is the largest tribe in this country. Bantu tribe people are tall and have a curly hair. So these are the people known as Bantu tribe, and these Bantu tribe peoples live in the Democratic Republic of Congo, which are very tall in height and have curly hair. So you can see here they are having curly hairs. Now Pygmies are primitive tribe who live in dense forest. So these are the people who are living in dense forest. They live in forest, and these people are known as pygmies. They are short in height. So their height is very short. They are short in height. Their average height is less than 5 feet. So their average height is less than 5 feet. You can see these are the pygmies, and these people live in, these are the primitive people who are living in the dense forest. They wear very less clothes. They gather food by hunting, and they have a primitive lifestyle. So very old type of lifestyle they have. They, hunt the animals, and they eat the food, the fruits, and the fruits of the trees and the plants in the forest only. They make huts out of branches and leaves. So you can see their hut. This hut in which they are living, this is made up of branches of the trees and the leaves of the trees. Yes, so they make their huts with the help of branches and leaves. As the weather is hot and humid in this country, so the people do not wear many clothes. So as in the Democratic Republic of Congo, the weather is very hot and humid type. So the people here do not wear many clothes. The people enjoy singing and dancing here in the Democratic Republic of Congo. So you can see here how people are dancing and enjoying their life in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Now you can see here, this is a photo which I take picture which I took from the book only, how these people are living here, and they are dancing. Pygmies families often live together, sharing their responsibility. So they share their responsibility. Some brings fruit for, some hunt for animals from the forest, some do something. So they share their responsibilities, their work, they share their works also. Now we will move to the transport. So how the transport of this country is there, how they do move from here and there, from one place to another place. So water transport is very important here in the Democratic Republic of Congo, because the Congo or the Zaire River is the chief means of transportation here. As earlier also I told you, and it is also, the Congo River is known as the, yes, what it is known as, Congo River is known as the highway of the Africa. Yes. So why it is known as, because it is known as it is known because the chief means of transport, all the transportation is being done from water transport and with the help of Congo River. So you can see here how people are sitting on the, boat, or you can say the ship, and how they are moving from one place to another with the help of river Congo or Zaire. Now, Matadi is the main seaport, and Kinshasa, the capital of the Democratic Republic of Congo, is an important river port. So here, Matadi is the main seaport. So if the people want to move from one place to another with the help of sea route, so Matadi is a main seaport here. Matadi is a city in the Democratic Republic of Congo where there is a main seaport here. This is Matadi city, and where the seaport is there, from where ships move here and there from one place to another place, or one country to another country. The capital of the Democratic Republic of Congo is Kinshasa. Yes, so Kinshasa is important for river port, because here the river Congo is flowing, and where the people who move from one city to another city, or would like to take their goods from one place to another, they take the water transport, and they move from river ports, which is there in Kinshasa, which is the capital of the Democratic Republic of Congo. The Democratic Republic of Congo is just developing fast. So now, if we talk about the modern Democratic Republic of Congo, today's Democratic Republic of Congo, so now the Democratic Republic of Congo country is developing fast. Here, the Democratic Republic of Congo relies on its river and lakes for much of its transportation. So most of the transportation activities are being carried with the help of river Congo. So now students, what we did today we studied about the life of the people of Democratic Republic of Congo. We studied about the transportation, that how they are doing the transportation. They are taking their goods and moving themselves from one place to another with the help of river Congo. Yes, and which is there in the Kinshasa, where the river port is. River port is in Kinshasa, which is the capital of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Matadi is a main marine seaport, if they want to go from one country to another, or they want to use the seaway for transporting goods, or from moving one place to another, they have to go to Matadi city, and there where they are having seaport there. We also discussed today about the agriculture. Yes, agriculture and the industries which are there in the Democratic Republic of Congo. So if we talk about the agriculture, they are doing the shifting agriculture, where they are taking the forest land for 2 3 years and growing the crops there. Yes, and they are also, their staple food is cassava, which is a which has a very long and tuber kind of fruit, and that root is being dried and then peeled off, and then the flour is being taken out from the cassava fruit, and then the bread is being prepared for the people of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Here, in the Democratic Republic of Congo, industries are not well developed, and so the people here export the minerals, because they are doing mining, so mining also. They have mines of different minerals, so they export those minerals in the world to earn the money. So we have done this till today. What you have to do now, you have to just read the chapter. Yes, and you have whatever queries you are having, you will just take out those queries, and whenever we will have an online class, at that time you can ask me the queries. But students, please read the book, because if you will not read the book, you will not be able to understand the chapter. And if you will not be able to understand the chapter, what will happen? You will not be able to do the book exercise by yourself. Yes, so it's your duty to read the chapter till the explanation. Whatever I have explained you today, you just sit and just read the book, and whatever queries you are having, you can just write down them in the rough notebook. Okay, so now there is a homework for you all. And what is the homework? Read social science chapter 4. So today we have completed the explanation of this chapter. Yes, the whole chapter we have completed. Today only the book exercise is left. And what you have to do, you have to just sit today and read whole chapter of social science chapter 4, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and whatever queries you have, you can ask me. Yes, till then, thank you and have a nice day, students.